How are you? I'm fine.
Yeah, I'm also doing fine. So, what are you doing right now?
I'm in the building
So,
at my
brother,
university.
can you rotate your camera, please?
What?
Can you rotate your camera? Can you rotate?
Root this or this?
No, no, no. Just rotate this way. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay, right.
What?
Nice. Yeah, yeah. Okay,
I,
okay, okay. Okay, brother.
I,
So,
I
what are you
say
doing for our call?
what?
What are you doing before our call?
I before I was feel ill a little bit. I was sniffing, but I'm great right now.
Okay, so brother, this is our first conversation in video call, and this first time we are coming in call face to face. So, how is your feeling?
I I feel great, relax, and I don't know.
Okay, okay. So, how's your day today?
To- Today was rainy in Izmir,
Today's
it,
rainy over there.
and it was rainy before 30 minutes, but it stopped. It stopped
Okay,
right.
okay. In Bangladesh, there is no rain today, and almost it's sunny day.
Also, Izmir not rained about 2 months. It rains yesterday and today.
Okay, so brother, over there is it's rainy season.
Yes, this is rainy season.
Okay, okay. That's why
This
today
Istanbul,
it's
it usually rains in Izmir.
okay, okay. In my country, winter season is coming. So brother, and this is our first conversation. So if you don't mind, can you introduce yourself?
I'm I'm Hus- I'm Hussein. I'm a university student at Ege University. I'm 20 years old. Yeah,
Okay.
I
And where are you
I'm
from?
I'm from Turkey.
Turkey. Yeah.
Do
Actually,
you
brother,
want to
I know, I
speak
know, I
Turkey?
know. I know everything about yourself, and I told you before. I recording this video for uploading on my Facebook and YouTube. You know already. I told you before.
Yeah, I
That-
knew.
So yeah, that's why I asked you. And my audience doesn't know about yourself. That's why I asked you this question.
I I knew this, bro. I
Okay,
knew.
okay. So brother, uh, how is going on your study?
My study is good. I teach in new words in English. Uh,
Okay,
I
but
learned a new words. For
okay.
example, self-esteem. I learned today.
Sorry, what types of word you learn today?
I learned self-esteem. I
Self.
never heard esteem.
I don't know. Self. Can you pronounce the word?
Self Esteem.
Self. Sorry, I don't know. Okay, let it be. We can talk. And you told me before you never come in my country, and you know I'm from Bangladesh.
I
So
never come
okay,
to Bangladesh.
Okay, okay. So, do you have any friend in Bangladesh accepting me?
And, no.
Okay, so that means I'm your first friend from Bangladesh.
Thank you.
So brother, uh, this is our first call in video call. So, do you shy to talking with me?
Might be.
Okay. So now are you at your room?
I'm I'm not I'm not your room. This isn't my room. This is building at university.
Okay, okay,
I
okay.
I
That means right now are you at your university?
Yes. I'm in
Okay,
the university right now.
okay, okay. And so what time is it over there right now?
It's it's one. It's one
Okay,
o'clock. 1 o'clock.
okay, I understand. So brother, how is going on your speaking practice?
Uh, my speaking practice is going good.
Okay.
I'm good at speaking, right?
Sorry, brother. Can you repeat, please?
I'm good at speaking, right?
Yeah, yeah. You are good at speaking. You are
Thank
improving day by
you.
day. And you know what? You speak better than me.
No, no, no.
No, no, no. You are so better. You speak English
No,
so well.
I can't accept.
So brother, we can practice our speaking English daily in this platform if you have time.
Okay.
And I think practice speaking English in video call is really effective to improve our speaking skill.
I agree.
Yeah, yeah. In video call, remove our shy, our fear, uh, right?
Yeah, I agree with you, bro. I agree.
Yes, brother. So brother, when will you back your home from your university?
I back to my home. It depends. Today, uh, I may be at 3 p.m. back to my home.
Okay,
3 p.m. or half
okay,
to 3.
okay. I understand. And today is my country. Is Friday. So brother,
Yeah,
I wanna know one thing from you. Uh, in Bangladesh, Friday is our best day in a week, and in Friday we perform Jumma prayer. So what about your country? Uh, do you pray Jumma prayer in your country? In,
and Juma is important day for us.
yes, yes, yes. So which day do you perform Jumma prayer? Which day?
We, yeah, my religion is Islam.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Islam, and Friday is important for Islamic people.
So
Ex-
okay, so brother,
so
I want to know that is today in your country is Juma Day.
we spell it Juma. We also spell it Juma.
Okay, okay, okay. Exactly.
Friday,
I
Friday
know
means Juma is in Turkish.
okay, okay. That means all over the world, Friday is Juma Day.
Mhm. Yeah, it is Juma.
Yeah, yeah. I understand. So, did you perform Juma prayer today?
Yes, yes, I
Okay.
did.
Alhamdulillah. I'm also I did. So brother, as a Muslim, uh, how do you pray 5 times in a day?
Repeat it, please.
As a Muslim, do you perform 5 times prayer in a day?
Five, you said 5 time prayer.
Yeah, yeah.
Sometimes.
Okay, sometime.
Um, I can get busy.
Okay, okay, understand. So, brother, what's your future dream, and what will you want to be in future?
I want to be a teacher in my future.
You want to
I
be.
wanted to be a teacher when I was a kid.
Okay, okay, I understand. So, brother, do you have any question for me?
Yes. What is the weather right now?
Yeah, now right now here weather is very very good, and almost it's sunny day.
Sunny.
And you know, and I told you before, winter season is coming, and winter season is my favorite season. I really enjoy this weather.
Yeah, I know.
So, what's your favorite season, brother?
It's autumn. It's autumn. Next month is winter.
Okay, okay, I understand. So, brother, in my country, maybe 3 month is 3 month is winter season, and yeah, 3 month is winter season.
Yes, 3 months. Oh yeah.
So, brother, this is our first conversation actually. Uh, we are both don't find any word for do we say.
Hmm. Yes,
Okay,
I
okay,
told
brother.
you
Yeah.
told me.
Next time we will talk about one topic. Okay. First we select a topic, then we will talk about that topic. Our next conversation.
Hmm. I understand. I will. Yes,
So
I
I
will
think,
be there.
yeah, I think it's better for ourselves, and our conversation will be long, and we will find many things to say.
And yes, I will be there, bro.
Okay,
I
so
will
so
be here.
okay, so right now, do you have any topic to our next conversation?
Yes, some topics I have,
Okay, okay, tell
but
me.
it's not finished.
Okay, okay. So, brother, next time we will talk about mm,
About
traveling
what?
traveling experience.
Jewelry experience. What do you mean about jewelry?
Traveling means
January.
visit some places. Traveling.
Traveling. You
Yeah, yeah.
said traveling. Yes.
So, yeah, our next conversation we will talk about traveling experience. Okay, and okay, 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 no problem. And bro, I always free. Okay, when you free, then send me message. We will make any conversation that time. Okay,
Yeah. Okay. I understand.
okay,
I
okay. So,
understand you.
okay, now we can end our session. Okay, brother.
That's
Babe.
all.
Oh, that's all. When you free, then send me message. We'll talk
Uh,
about traveling experience.
yeah.
Good.
It's
Yeah.
yes.
So now
And
we
good.
can
I hope you will be always fine. So
actually today is Friday in my country, and today is my off day. That's why I am free at daytime, and usually I busy at daytime, and I free at night after evening time. After evening
yeah.
time.
Yes. 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 So
Okay, brother. So now we can end our session. We'll talk later.